What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be playing Animal Company with my two specially needed friends. Alright, I'm waiting for you now. I'm waiting for you now, you churro. Hey, all the purple ones give me... Oh, let's go. I'm a miner. Mining away, you stupid slave. Alright. You don't need a flashlight because I've got one. If I die, you just take mine. If there's a bomb... Oh. Did you die? If that happens, you can run away from it. You can try and run away from it. It's fine, Aiden. You can do it. I can. I've got gen pipe. Also, the red light, green light, and the spam creatures are going to be a pain for me. Okay, I came back. A little bit. Oh my god, my dog scared me. I just got flashbanged. Yeah? And yes, Tyler. Okay, I'm at red light, green light, waiting for you. No, don't kill me. I hear the chickens. He can't kill you. He dodged the red light, green light. Yeah, he did. Tell us your game done. You know what else is massive? No, I'm a miner. I'm breaking every crystal. You know what? I can. The thing is, if we had a flashbang, we could flashbang the red light, green light thing, and I could kill it. But we don't have a flashbang. Don't get me, Budge. Oh, he can't even get me because I'm in the sky. Oh yeah. It's double M. No. Did you make it? Tyler, we are doing sewers first. They have updated it, so it's a lot different. I see you, Aiden. Look. I'm behind you. I'm watching on the cameras. Turn around. Turn around right now, Aiden. Where are you? Oh, you're there. I came back. You told me to. There's one back there. Here. But let me deal with the bomb. Go back. Stay back. Oh, that's a flash. Oh, okay. I think that killed both. Okay, it flashbanged the. So, don't shoot the flare! You imbecile! Yippee! Okay, just follow me. Just follow me. Doesn't matter, Aiden. Follow me. Yeah, I know. Follow me. Come on here. Aiden, just hurry. You're gonna kill yourself. This way. Right, now we jump down. Oh, no, don't tell me it's the same. No. I went down the... Yep, look. Oh, Aiden, I'm over here. You see this platform? Aiden, look to your right. You have to... Oh, I almost killed myself. Then don't hold the box. I've got this gen pipe. Oh yeah, Tyler, since I'm holding this gen pipe, I can't miss any of the jump parts. I can just use it for like extra help. I'm using it to get over walls better. No, I didn't die. Imagine if Ninja got a low taper face. Boo doo 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 doo. Shit, I died. Yeah, I jumped down. So I'm waiting for Tyler. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, what are you doing there? Why are you in there? Wait. You're not... Huh? It seems to me like your entire body... There's some random person in our code again. Oh, free flashlight. Yeah, I know, I'm still in it. Wait a second, I'm exiting now. I exited. There's a random dude here, but I don't think he's gonna be a problem. Where are you? Where are you? I'm at the rocket. Oh, there you are. Alright, let's go Haunted Mansion. I don't think that bro's gonna be done yet. I don't think his VR is ready. We're getting... Don't worry about it. I've got enough money to buy some drugs. What? What? I don't know. Oh, no, oh no, I think they changed Haunted Mansion to the Haunted Mine. Come on, get over here. Imagine if Ninja got a little... Oh, it's so dark. Get in here. Oh, there you are. Don't go ahead, there's a spider in here. Speedy bit. I don't know, this is all new to me. I'm guessing where it's red. Okay, this is a mine room. This is where we mine. Follow me. I'm guessing. There is a spider in there and it's fast. I know that. It's way faster. It's like the bomb fast. It's like shining the light for your father. Shit, I messed up. I actually fucked. Shit. I can't see! Okay. Oh my god, I hear it. No. Okay, I'm just fixing my like band. But. Just give me no. Oh, yep, it's down here. This is where we have to go. And there's a spider down here somewhere. I'm not going that way. I know it's this way. I have a feeling. No, I found something. I went left. Yeah. No, this is not canyon. So we jump down? Why did you... Are you sure? Oh, I'm grinding the whales. Where are you? How did you get stuck there? Come on, bada bing, bada. Oh, I know where to go. It's this way. It's got blue light. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. Shut up, ass. No. Ah! It's right there! Behind you! Oh my god! I think I have arachnophobia. I'm pretty sure I have arachnophobia. Okay, that's okay. No. I hate spiders. Okay, that's okay. I better. Well then, get over here. We have to go over here. I don't know where you went. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so big. He's so big. He's so big and juicy. Oh my god. Yes, I do. That's not very helpful for me. I've got a flashlight, so it's like a little bit off balance. We have to go that. Oh, I know where we're supposed to. Oh! Oh! Look at it. It's so beautiful. Give it a kiss, Aiden. Aiden, go give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Also, it's pretty fast when it actually knows where you are. You missed. Aiden. You have to make it to this jump here. I've got light shining. Just the night and shine. Okay, you made it. Are you special and need? Okay, I don't think we're supposed to go this way. I don't know. That's gonna kill her. If it was, would be very. Hello there. I don't know when the spiders. I want to know when the spider. Okay, here. Should we go down now? No, we don't. No. Okay, come on. No, I'm not risking it. I hear it. I can hear it. It's twitching. It's right there. Okay, I didn't see you. Did you die? Nope. It's coming back. Okay, it left. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I think we're supposed to go this way. If there's webs, it's the right way. Come on, hurry. Where are you? No, if it's wet footsteps, it's not the creature. If you hear like... Come on, where are you? Okay, then that's not footsteps. Okay, follow me. Oh, we jumped down again. Fire in the hole! Had to make sure there wasn't any monsters nearby. Okay, yeah, this is different. This is a lot different. Come on. Okay, I think this is just I think we're just here to get money, and that's it. I don't know though. Come up here. What is that? It's gross. Oh my god, I'm touching it. Oh, ew. Yeah, whatever. Okay, it's not this way. We went the wrong way. So I know, but that's the wrong way, so we have to go the opposite way. I'm lost. Shit. Okay. Then we go this way because there's a light. Oh. Well, it's next to you. It's closer to you now. So you... Get past it. Run! I'm doing it. It's right there. Just run. Just run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. How did it hit me, but not you? That's racism. Oh, Aiden, I know where we're supposed to go. Get on the rocks. Okay, you're up here. Come up here. See this? We have to enter here. We have to try and get in here. Get in. Amazing. Okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe we weren't. No, I need to see. Just come down and I'll help you. Then just jump down. No. Okay, follow me. I have the light always in front, just so I can see. Where'd you go? Okay, there. Ignore it, ignore it. Come on, where are you? Where are you? Come on, I got shit. Sure. Trying over there, I saw a button. Wrong way. Click, turn it on. There, sorry. What? The what? Wait, maybe, wait. Could I have the flashlight? Because it's not that helpful for me, actually. Are we supposed to get off it? Could you pass it to me? Could you pass it to me again? I think that's the. I think we beat it. I think that's the end of this level. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Just died to the monster. I think. I don't know. Well, I did. I got so many. My hand's stuck. Okay, I'm gonna go give the monster a kiss now. A hug. What? Whichever it wants. Oh, it's on one shot. It's on an instant kill. Oh, the fight doesn't instantly. Okay, I'm dead. Well, I have to go to toilet. I'll be back again. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe and blah 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 blah.